Most people treat squats like a leg day exercise. But what if I told you that squatting is one of the most human things you can do? We're talking about the kind of squatting that builds robust and pain-free knees, hips that glide like a well-oiled machine, and a spine that feels 10 years younger. And no, I'm not talking about quarter squats on a Smith machine. I am talking about the full squat, the deep, primal, unapologetically human squat. In this video, I am breaking down the 10 incredible benefits of squatting that go way beyond aesthetics. You will never skip squats again after hearing this. Number 1. It's the original human resting position. Before chairs, couches, thrones, and ergonomic design, there was the ground. Squatting was our couch, our thinking chair, our toilet, our dinner table. In cultures that still live close to the earth, they squat without a second thought. Kids do it effortlessly. Old villagers do it while smoking, chopping, washing rice. So why did we lose this ability? Because we outsource rest to furniture, and our bodies paid the price. Spend 10 minutes every day in a passive squat, and you will realize that this is the position your body has been begging for. Number 2, it rebuilds lost hip and ankle function. You can foam roll your IT band for eternity, but nothing rewires your hip mechanics like a deep squat. Your hips were built to rotate, glide, flex, extend. But most people's hips are rusted shut. Same with the ankles. Tight calves, collapsed arches, stiff Achilles. The deep squat reprograms all of it. And you don't need 10 tools or a mobility routine. You need to sit in your dysfunction until it becomes function again. Number 3. It restores natural spine decompression. People chase spinal traction, inversion tables, hanging devices, fancy physio protocols. You want real decompression? Then drop into a deep squat. Let gravity do what it is supposed to do. Let your spine hang gently from the top down. Let the sacrum breathe. Your lumbar vertebrae were designed to adapt to loaded positions, not be braced and rigid 24/7. A squat is spinal hygiene, daily, cheap, free, and honest. Number 4, it strengthens joints through full range. Everyone wants to be strong, but only in comfortable ranges. Squats expose your fears. Can you sit on grass without pain? Can your knees track forward? Can your hips externally rotate under load? This isn't about bodybuilding. It's about durability. If you're strong only at 90 degrees, you're one bad step away from snapping, strength at end ranges. That's what saves you when things go wrong. Number 5, it improves digestion and elimination. This one might shock people, but yes, squatting literally makes you better. Ever wonder why babies instinctively squat to go to the toilet? Or why squat toilets are still the norm in many cultures? Because the pelvic angle in a deep squat straightens the rectum, relaxes those muscles down there, and allows the body to eliminate without strain. You want to detox? Then start here. Sit in a squat and let nature do what it was designed to do. Number 6, it unlocks deep core and pelvic floor activation. You don't need a Bosu ball or a physio band to train your core. Drop into a squat. Breathe deep into your belly and hold. You will feel your diaphragm, your pelvic floor, your transverse abdominis light up. Squatting forces intra-abdominal pressure. It trains the deep stabilizers that most people skip. It rewires your breath mechanics, reestablishes the mind-muscle link to the real core, the one that protects your spine and powers your movement. Number 7. It builds functional lower body strength. Most gym goers chase the illusion of strength. Big quads, tight shorts, barbell clout. But can you carry a heavy object while squatting deep on one leg? Can you jump, land, and absorb force without collapsing? Squats teach you coordination, tension, and grace under pressure. It's not about the number on the bar. It's about how much control you can own deep in the hole, with your feet gripping the floor like a predator. Number 8. It trains you to rest actively, not collapse passively. You don't need more naps. You need better rest. Passive rest, couches, soft chairs, car seats, they make you soft. They dull your nervous system. They shut off your awareness. Active rest, like the squat, resets you while keeping your system engaged. You're still aware, still grounded, still tuned in. It's why monks meditate in a squat. It's not just cultural, it's physiological. Rest doesn't mean collapse. It means restore. Number 9. It's a diagnostic tool for movement health. The squat doesn't lie. If your ankles are tight, it will show. If your knees collapse, it will show. If your spine folds like a lawn chair, it will show. You don't need a fancy assessment. Just squat barefoot on camera and watch your body expose the truth. That's why I teach it to every single student, because 1 minute in the hole tells me more about your body than an hour of conversation ever could. Number 10. It is a daily practice in discipline and awareness. This isn't just biomechanics, it's ritual. Squatting every day is a commitment. It's time away from your screen, your ego, your distractions. It is a moment of presence, a dialogue with your body. You feel your breath, your tension, your fatigue, your balance. It forces you to listen, to observe, to adjust. Do this daily, not to get flexible, not to lift more weight, but to connect with yourself. That's the real flex. So, if you're still thinking squats are just a leg day exercise, you missed the whole point. This is human maintenance. This is mobility, longevity, power. And if you're serious about building a body that lasts, join my mobility toolkit below and start using it today. I'll show you exactly how to rebuild your body, one squat at a time.